Whenever I give you some online assignment related to our practical, you need to do this procedure that I will be discussing in this video. Just see, I have created a particular file with file name sample.html. I have saved in my drive that is related to D drive. 1234 is my folder or directory where I am saving the file with the extension sample.html. I have saved the file already. That's the reason I got that. Then what happens is you need to open your Google Drive and you need to click on new. Then you go with Google Docs. There you open a blank document where you can type the question that I will be giving there, like program on sample web page. Suppose this is the question that I have given you for the assessment. Then what you need to do is you need to enter source code as side topic and you can mark it as bold by selecting the text. And then what happens, you need to open your notepad and you need to select all the text and copy the file. You can copy by going to the edit menu and select copy, or else you can use shortcut Control C. Then you can directly paste, right click on this and paste, or else you can use Control V so that entire program is pasted. Now you need to enter side heading as output. So output screen, how we get, I will be showing you now. This is the output screen related to the program that I have selected. I am just selecting print screen that is available on the right side of the keyboard, that is just above the insert key. Due to the design of the keyboard it may vary, but I am using now in my keyboard the key that is present above the insert. You can just read out the key that is having print screen on your keyboard. If the keyboard is having a different design, then just press on print screen. Then what happens, you should open your untitled document where you need to paste the output. Just press Ctrl V so that entire window is pasted in this way. Like this, you need to submit the online assignment, whatever I give for the assessment. There you can save the file with your roll number. Suppose my roll number is 1234 and I am giving, this is the first assessment. So I am giving assessment number 1 and I am just saving the file. Already the Google Drive saves the file whatever we have done. And remember, you can search here 1234 in the drive. You can upload this particular assessment directly whenever I'll be asking in the classroom. Hope you got the instruction that I am giving in this video. Maybe it will be helpful to all in every assessment whatever you want to submit in classroom. Thank you one and all.